hits real quick. Grapefruit League Greats Chipper Jones, a Glaber Torres highlight, Equipment Evolution Vintage to Modern Baseball Gloves, Grapefruit League Greats Derek Jeter, Ryan O'Hearn Rookie Card 150-year Parallel, Corey Seager Rainbow Foil Parallel, Starling Marte 1984 Topps, Ted Williams Grapefruit League Grapes, Glaber Torres highlight, Mariano Rivera Greatest Players, and then a Home Run Challenge Gary Sanchez, Grapefruit League Greats Roberto Clemente. The Home Run Challenge cards, you enter the code, pick the day you think he'll hit a home run. If he does, you win a prize and will get a chance for a 2020 Home Run Derby. I will probably do that, but just kind of pick a day at random, knowing that it probably isn't going to go anywhere. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Keep on breaking, and we'll see you on the next break. Alright, I have another blaster break. This break we have 2019 Topps Series 1. This is a Target blaster box including Glaber Torres highlights cards. Also has one manufactured patch card in the box. Try to get some better light here. Yeah, that's more like it. And that is the patch card, so we'll set that aside. We'll do that one last. It does have a coupon book at over $10 in savings. Obviously not going to show you what the coupons look like because of the codes, but there are various coupons in there that I will more than likely take advantage of. Alright, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 card packs. I have had decent luck out of 2019 so far. So let's see. Dwayne Underwood Jr., Danny Jansen, Nick Birdie, Kyle Hendricks, haven't seen him yet, David Price, Cole Calhoun, Grapefruit League Greats Chipper Jones, that's a cool card. There's a Glaber Torres card. Salvador Perez, Jake Arrieta, Bryce Hoskins, Tyler Anderson, Robert Selman, and Wilmer Defoe, or botched last name, we'll just go with that. So far I've hit an Ohtani jersey out of Gravity Feed 14 card packs, and I've hit 2 jerseys out of Fat Packs. Alright, Luis Castillo, Tim Anderson, Trey Turner, Adam Jones, Michael Fulmer, Seattle Mariners team. Oh, that's a cool shot. That's a cool shot. Equipment Evolution Vintage Baseball Glove. Interesting. Modern Baseball Glove. It's kind of a cool set. David Price, World Series Highlights. Is that an actual insert? Nope, that's just base. Mike Clevinger, Byron Buxton, Matt Chapman, Josh Bell, Joe Musgrove, and Buster Posey. Number 3. Caleb Joseph, Sean Doolittle, Sam, I'm not even going to try, Atlanta Braves team card with a nice shot of the stadium, SunTrust Park from 2017, so that is the new stadium, Wade LeBlanc, Aroldis Chapman with snow, that's pretty cool. I think that's a variation, 1910, these cards are 1910, so that's just the base. 150 years of baseball, Ryan O'Hearn. Would have liked somebody a little better. Oh, there's somebody better. Grapefruit League Greats, Derek Jeter. That's a nice card. Jay Bruce, Blake Snell, League Leaders, Robinson Cano, Miguel Andujar, Chad Green, and Lorenzo Cain. Jose Ramirez, we got a rainbow. Luke Weaver, Jeff McNeil, Chance Adams, rookie. Jorge Soler, Boston Red Sox in Fenway Park. Steve Pearce, World Series. What do we have? Corey Seager, rainbow. That's actually not bad. That's pretty awesome, actually. Starling Marte, 1984. Colin Moran, Mike Zunino, Shane Bieber, Chris Taylor, and Randall Grichuk. That was a pretty good pack. Alright. Ramon Laureano, Michael Kopech, rookie. Chad Bettis, Dansby Swanson, Jose Abreu, Eddie Rosario. Wow. Grapefruit League Greats continues. Ted Williams. Another Gleyber Torres highlight. Grapefruit League Greats is... I'm having really good results out of that. Max Scherzer, Whit Merrifield, Miguel Cabrera, Ian Kennedy, Shin Soo Choo, and Nico Goodrum. How do those go off then? I didn't see it. Gleyber Torres 1 and 4. I don't even see. Grapefruit League Grapes 1 and 2. So it's a very low, very common insert, but there's actually some really nice names in there. If only we could get a Hank Aaron. Alright, Pedro Strop, Rafael Devers, Dylan Bundy, Archie Bradley, Marcus Stroman, Joey Lucchesi, Greatest Players, Mariano Rivera. We'll take that. That is the 150 years of baseball, greatest players. Gary Sanchez, Home Run Challenge. Miles Mikolas, Matt Carpenter, Matt Duffy, Jorge Polanco, Kyle Seager, and Chris Davis. 1 to go. No hits in the box. We've had set. There's a Mike Trout. Jason Kipnis, Dennis Santana, Daniel Ponce de Leon. Phillies, Christian Yelich, Nicholas Castellanos. That's a Clemente. Grapefruit League Grapes has been really Hall of Fame stacked this box. Not even gonna try. Candelario, Jordan Zimmerman, Nick Pivetta, Richard Blyer, Austin Hedges, and Hunter Strickland. And then the last one is going to be upside down. Ricky Henderson, 150 years. The commemorative patch card. I believe these are the same ones that are inserted in Jumbo, but I'm not 100%. I believe you get them in Jumbo and in the blaster boxes. So that's not bad. Pretty decent hits there.